It is worse than stupid, futile.
Futile gesture.
Then life is impossible. It's futile. It's despair.
Because Providence doesn't want futile things glorified.
Obvious target.
To try robbing us would be so futile that only a complete fool would attempt.
Any attempt to prove otherwise is futile because it just ain't true.
Any attempts to escape is futile.
Stop.
That's selfish.
And it doesn't even qualify as futile.
And futile Marshal Cogburn pursuit would be futile?
Their resistance to Rome is stupid. It is worse than stupid, futile. For it can end in only one way,
Oh, nothing's coming up.
Futile gesture.
Listen.
Just blithely hand away your future. Then life is impossible. It's futile. It's despair.
Listen.
No.
It was never written. Because Providence doesn't want futile things glorified.
Oh, that I must contest.
Wasted lives and precious time on a futile and obvious target.
Now you're going to pay the penalty.
To try robbing us would be so futile that only a complete fool would attempt it.
Yeah.
On the wagon, there was no intent to kill, and any attempt to prove otherwise is futile because it just ain't true. When Dawson and Downey went in...
That's reinforced Bethlehem steel. Any attempts to escape is futile.
Take away all she has known.
Stop.
In a selfish, futile, fleeting attempt to...
And the one Undertaker. He goes into the cold. Come in and set up, give ya.
Stars over 1,000 years away. I mean, that doesn't even qualify as futile.
Office to report the theft of my money. And futile Marshal Cogburn pursuit would be futile? It's not spelled F-U-D-E-L.
Well, it may be futile, but it's no gesture. If I don't.
This whole thing has just been futile, right? It's
not only... It's futile. But it involves us in a...
On the other hand, not to accept seems futile. Because what would...
Everything that means anything to you, Charlie, in a futile gesture of virtue? And you're going to put yourself in jail?
Ever in the Indian nation. Pursuit would be futile. I will return with your man, Cheney. Leave me to my work.
Every waking moment of his life in the futile pursuit of a sadistic roadrunner who mocks him and laughs.